The GalaxyBook 5 Pro is rumored to be a featherweight champion, boasting incredible thinness and lightness. Imagine tossing it in your bag without a second thought, pure portability perfection. But don't be fooled by its sleek design only, as it suggests to pack a serious punch in terms of performance. Thin and light laptops are gaining an excessive amount of popularity these days.
On one side, we have the Samsung GalaxyBook 5 Pro, a sleek and powerful machine that promises to redefine the Ultrabook experience. Let's find out.
When it comes to design, the GalaxyBook 5 Pro is surely a deal and a feast for the eyes.
Samsung's offering boasts a premium aluminum build that exudes an air of sophistication.
This embraces a refreshingly modern aesthetic for a more uniform profile.
For portability, the GalaxyBook 5 Pro takes the lead with its featherweight construction, tipping the scales at less than 3 pounds only.
When it comes to displays, the GalaxyBook 5 Pro maintains the aspect of 16:10 with an AMOLED touchscreen.
And this stands out in every possible way, for productivity as well as multimedia.
We all know Samsung makes some amazing displays, and the case is same here.
Users can enjoy vibrant colors with deep blacks that will leave them mesmerized. So in short, the GalaxyBook 5 ensures crisp and clear visuals for all your work and entertainment needs. The Book 5 Pro is shifting up, this time to a Lunar Lake processor as mentioned, presumably when the laptop is released early in 2025. Under the hood, the GalaxyBook 5 should come with an 8-core Lunar Lake chip with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores.
This has clock speeds of up to 2.8 GHz, but we wouldn't pay much attention to that, as this is still early testing and the CPU won't be near its final speeds yet.
Moreover, the performance is boosted with Z2 integrated graphics on board here, too. For thermal cooling, the GalaxyBook 5 Pro's active cooling system allows it to maintain peak performance for extended periods. This processor is also expected to boost up the battery life of Book 5. Battery life should be very strong, too, if the rumors are right.
There's a great deal of promise with these next-gen laptop CPUs. The GalaxyBook 5 Pros should be offering around 9 hours of usage on a single charge. This should be more than enough to get you through a typical workday without needing to seek out a power outlet. One area where the GalaxyBook 5 Pro shines is its generous array of ports. With an HDMI port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB port, a micro SD card slot. Not to forget the headphone and microphone jack, this Ultrabook ensures you're never left wanting for connectivity options. So the Samsung GalaxyBook 5 Pro can be a great preference if you are looking for new toy that is great by all means. From a stunning AMOLED display, a wealth of ports, and a more affordable price point, the GalaxyBook 5 Pro is a compelling option that delivers a premium Ultrabook experience. Not to overlook the performance with a decent battery backup. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.